Hi, thank you for passing by. Well, in today's video, I'll be teaching how to treat acne and pimples. I have tried several remedies, several things to do, and they all work depending on the type of skin you have, okay? So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to use apple cider vinegar and then baking soda to do this. This is the best remedy for me so far because I have oily skin. This works for me, okay? So you can also try this out. You can get the apple cider vinegar at the pharmacy, okay? Look out for the one that has with the mother, okay? So as you can see down here, it's written with the mother, okay? So that's what I normally use, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. And you can also get baking soda at any bakery shop, at the market or supermarket, any bakery shop, you can get baking soda, okay? So I'm going to teach you how to do this, a very simple way of treating your acne on pimples. As you can see, mine is almost gone. I'm almost close to having a very smooth face. I don't have any black spots, but you can still treat them using apple cider vinegar and baking soda. So stick with me, do not go anywhere because you're going to love this, okay? So let's get right into making this. It's a very simple recipe, so stick with me, okay, as I make this together with you. Now let me fix this here. So okay, so as you can see, I have my apple cider vinegar here. What I'm going to do is to shake. Okay, before you use, shake properly. Okay, after shaking, you can open, and you can use about 2 tablespoons. Okay, so this is 1 tablespoon. This will be 2. Okay, this will be enough for a day. And then I'll add baking soda. Okay, yeah. I'll just add it to it directly and then stir it. See that it's foaming, right? Okay. Okay. Add a little more. Let it be a little bit thick, okay? Not too thick. Yeah. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay. Okay. And we're done with this. What I'm going to do is to apply this on your face. Okay. So, okay. So this is what I have here. You can see that is, if you have brush, you can use brush. Okay. If you do not have brush, you just use this directly. Okay. And as you apply it, allow it to dry. This works. Okay. It really, really works. It's not an everyday thing. You can repeat this process twice in a week or 3 times a week, not every day. Okay. And it's best done in the morning. Maybe before you take your shower, immediately you wake up from bed, you can do this. Then I believe you saw how my face was looking when I started this video. So after washing this off, you see the progress or how bright my face is going to look. I've not done this in a very long time because I was having issue with pimples. It will get to a point the pimples will not be coming for some time. But once they come and you do this, you'll be free. Trust me. Okay. Okay. So this is how I look. It's like because of the baking soda, it looks like I'm exfoliating my skin. Okay. Yeah, it's very, very good. Okay. So let's wait for this to dry and then we'll wash it off. Okay. So let's wait for it to dry and I'll be back to show you how it looks when it dries. Okay. So this is how it looks when it's finally dry. Okay. This is how it looks. Okay. It should be white all over your face and your face will be sticky. All right. This is how it looks. Mind you, this has a very strong smell. So if you're allergic to this kind of smells, then I don't think you can use it. Okay. If you're allergic to this kind of smells, you cannot use it. The apple cider has a very strong smell. So even those who drink apple cider vinegar to lose weight, they really try, okay? It has a very strong smell, but it doesn't taste bitter. You understand? Yes. So this is how it looks. And if you are allergic to strong smells and you cannot use it, then the other remedies will be better for you, okay? But if you are not, then this you can do this and it will work. Okay. All right. So I'll be trying out the other remedies so that in case you are allergic to strong smell, you can try them out. All right. Okay. So let's go and wash this off. So studies have shown that baking soda and apple cider can have some skin benefits, okay? But there's no evidence to that. But then both used together can help with skin conditions like acne and eczema, okay? Benefits of baking soda is it removes dead skin and brightens your skin. Baking soda can reduce redness and inflammatory associated with acne, and it can also help treat what causes acne, okay, and then the breakouts, okay. So baking soda helps in this. Apple cider vinegar can also help balance the skin pH. It reduces hyperpigmentation. It may lighten age, spot, and hyperpigmentation. It can reduce inflammation and prevent bacterial infection that cause the acne to worsen. Okay. Benefits of using this can help remove impurities and unclog pores. It can help kill skin bacteria and bacterial growth. Okay. It can also help balance the skin's pH. Okay. So acne can be cured using apple cider vinegar and baking soda. This is very, very important and true. But then you should take into consideration that apple cider vinegar can cause allergic reactions and may irritate the skin, especially for those with sensitive skin. So be careful. Let me wash this off. Okay. Need to wash this off with water. Right. See how my face is going to look like after I do this. Do you see the difference? Maybe the camera is not doing justice to the difference, but I know how my face looked like before starting this video. And this is how it looks like. Guys, this works, okay? This works, so do not doubt at all. If you can get this apple cider vinegar at any pharmacy, try and get it, okay? Use it plus baking soda 3 times or 2 times in a week, and it's going to treat all acne, dark spots, or pimples, okay? Do not use this on an open sore. If you have open sore, like your acne or pimples have sores, or it has turned into sore, do not use it because it's strong. It's going to hurt you. Okay. So once you do not have open sores on the face and you're not allergic to strong smells, then I think this would be the best remedy for you. Thank you very much for joining me. In my next video, I'm going to give you other remedy you can use to clear your acne and pimples, and they all work perfectly depending on the type of skin you have. Okay, so you can try this out and know which one works for you. Bye.